Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so the ingredients for our chocolate fondue, we're going to use 12 ounces of chocolate. I had these Hershey's chocolates, and I got like a half a package of Ghirardelli here, so I'm going to, between the two, get 12 ounces. We need 3/4 of a cup of light cream, so I have some half and half here. And then it does say to add like 1 to 2 tablespoons of like either cherry brandy or orange flavored liqueur. I would have probably used Grand Marnier, but because Addie's going to help me, I'm just going to probably use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the liquid from the Maraschino cherries. And then this, yes, in a minute. And then the stuff we're going to use to dunk with is I bought some mini cream puffs.
Also, we could dunk this.
Yep, we can use some of the cherries like Addie said.
Or we can
Angel
use
food cake.
Or these.
Strawberries.
Or bananas.
Yep, or we can use the bananas.
Or
We got
chocolate.
that to dunk.
Or some chocolate.
And then we have
I want to see my face. I want to see my
so there's also on here that you can just use frosting.
Yeah.
So we might just heat up some of these frostings to try
face.
that.
Chocolate first, please.
So we got chocolate, we got fluffy white, and we did get a lemon. So we're going to maybe try one of those. So we'll tell you how those are compared to melting it to our chocolate. And Addie, of course, is going to help. So say hi, Addie. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so we have our 12 ounces of chips in here, our 3/4 cup of half and half, and then Addie's going to put
cherry juice.
2 tablespoons of cherry juice. So
Okay.
put that
Can I have
in
a
there.
sip of it?
No, just put it in here, and then you can have a sip. There's 1. So we're going to do 2. All right, and we have our heat on low. We're just going to let this melt. All right, so Addie and I, little Valentine fondue is all set up here. We've got our strawberries. Had to leave the stems on to make them look pretty, but when we dunk them, we'll take them off. We got our cherries, bananas, angel food cake all cut up, cream puffs, little plates. In here, we have our chocolate fondue that was made with actual chocolate chips. And then in here, we're going to try the chocolate frosting and see which one we like better. So let's grab Addie and see which one we like better. Isn't this just kind of a fun setting though, you guys?
You better be
Okay,
careful.
everyone. So we're going to try the difference between the fondue that was made, this one, or no, that's this one, or the frosting.
Yes, the frosting.
Addie's going to tell us which one she likes better. So we got our picks. I have to go down to her.
Be
guys.
careful with these guys.
Yeah.
Because they will hurt you.
Yep. Be careful. So we're going to do, this is the frosting one. Ooh.
Don't make so.
You're going to put it in the frosting.
Ooh.
Okay.
Can we eat it?
Yep.
We eat it?
And then after that, we'll try the actual fondue.
Yeah.
Does it taste like frosting?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm going to try it in the actual fondue.
I don't want you to fondue.
Oh, but it's just chocolate. You should try it. It's got cherry in it. You have to tell them which one you like better. This one's better.
I really like that one.
Try it.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
I
Which
like
one?
both of them.
She likes both of them. Actually, the actual fondue is much more richer chocolate flavor. And this one, I mean, it has a little bit of a frosting flavor to it. But you know what? If you're in a hurry and you want to have some fun with your kids or something just fun.
You should try this.
Again, we should try this. I mean, in a pinch, this would actually be kind of fun, you know, because they even said you could use the lemon or the vanilla or whatever flavor you wanted to, if you wanted to just...
you could try to make this.
Yep. if you wanted to just do like a basic chocolate one and then have a different flavor with just the frosting. And
Ooh, look how much I did.
I literally just melted it in my microwave. I just put it on 50% for like a minute and a half and just kept stirring it. And it was fine. So you could just like throw it right in the plastic container and just, you know, microwave it and then just dump it in here. And then this was super simple. Just did it on low on the stovetop with just, you know, your half and half. I did 12 ounces of chocolate, a little bit of, I mean, if I was having adults, I'd probably put Graham and Yay or something in it. But they are both very good, super easy, super fun. So in case you haven't celebrated Valentine's Day yet, and you want to do it this weekend, if you got kids or company coming over, definitely this is really fun to do.
You have your cherries, bananas.
Yep, we got all kinds of stuff.
I just got it.
Little cream puffs.
Cream puffs and strawberries.
Yep. So super simple. I think this is simpler than doing like a cheese one with the wine and stuff, but we can always do one of those later. And with that being said, this is Lynn from Lynn-Halynn Vintage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everybody had a happy Valentine's Day.
I need to tell you something. In the morning could be 5 times.
Yep. This is
Monday. And it'll be Tuesday. And we have a party.
Yep. So Addie's excited about her Valentine's Day party. So with that being said, everyone, have a great Valentine's Day. Well, I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. And I'll see you real soon.
You have to have a great Valentine's Day.
Bye, everyone.